Cinder blocks are an affordable and versatile way to create unique garden spaces with endless possibilities. Their sturdy, weather-resistant nature makes them perfect for raised beds, offering great drainage and easy customization. Stack them in different patterns to design multi-level planters, filling the hollow sections with soil for flowers, herbs, or succulents. You can even arrange them into geometric shapes for an eye-catching focal point in your garden. For a creative and stylish touch, paint or stencil designs onto blocks to match your outdoor theme. A vertical garden is another great way to use them. Stack blocks against a wall in alternating directions to create built-in pockets for plants. This is ideal for small spaces like patios and balconies, allowing you to grow fresh herbs or trailing plants without taking up ground space. Adding LED string lights or climbing vines can enhance the visual appeal and create a cozy ambience. Cinder blocks aren't just for planting. They can also be used to build functional outdoor furniture. Create sturdy garden benches, coffee tables, or shelving by stacking and securing blocks, then adding wooden planks or cushions for comfort. If you're feeling adventurous, use them to construct a decorative fire pit or an outdoor bar, giving your backyard a modern industrial vibe while keeping costs low. Finally, cinder blocks are great for defining garden borders, pathways, and even retaining walls. Arrange them along walkways, filling the gaps with gravel, pebbles, or low-maintenance ground cover plants. Use them as edging around flower beds or vegetable patches to create a clean, organized look. Whether you're designing a lush green retreat or a structured urban garden, cinder blocks offer a creative, durable, and budget-friendly way to transform any outdoor space.